In the previous tutorial, we looked at how to trigger a lookup and how we can filter the results directly in the lookup dialog box. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how that type of filter can also be triggered using data present in the fields on your form. We need to make a few small changes to the Connect and Search command properties. We will first uncheck the search checkboxes in the Send Parameters section, because we no longer want to use this type of search filtering in this example. Do be aware that we could use both filter methods concurrently if we wanted to. Next, we will link the send parameter company name directly to a field on the form, in this case to the supplier name field. Click in the source field for the parameter you want to use. That's all we have to do to change from a search filter in the pop-up dialog box to a filter in a field on the form. When we preview the form, we can type in our short name search parameters in the supplier name field and then trigger the lookup as before. The main difference that you'll see is that the filter options at the top are no longer available, and the filtered list is displayed without having to press the search option. We simply select the field required as before. Whilst we have demonstrated this alternative filter method using the same lookup used in the previous tutorial, this method will also be applicable for most other connections as well, some of which will be seen in other tutorial videos.